Hello friends, welcome to Unix programming tutorials. In this class we are going to discuss about directories and file names. So that means how we are going to give the names to the file in Unix. A file name may be given using any of the ASCII character except null character and the forward slash. Except these two, you can give any ASCII character as a file name in Unix. The length of the Unix file name is 256 characters, but the file system consider only the first 14 characters. The file names in Unix are case sensitive. That means the small a is different with capital A. For example, I am creating ABC file and I am creating ABC. So these two are different files. So alphanumeric characters and period, that means dot, and hyphen and underscore characters can be used as file name. So for example, now I am going to create a file sample.txt on desktop. So for example, so my system home further, and I create this file on desktop. So this is the desktop. In this file I create sample.txt. Sample.txt. Let us resume. All the files you won't have unambiguous names starting with the /user u. That means in my case this is this is my home. After that the username is Varada. Okay. So that means all the files in our system have unique path. Current working directory is the home Varada desktop. In this I print ls. Now it prints sample.txt. It don't print entire path. So /home/Varada/desktop/sample.txt. So why means, so that is because each running program, that is each process, that means when it is executed, that process has a current directory and all file names are implicitly assumed to start with the name of the directory. That means when I press ls, this process is executed and the current directory and all the file names are implicitly assumed to start with the name of the directory. That means ls process is executing the current directory and all files. What is the current directory for ls? The current directory is the desktop or implicitly assumed to start with the name of the directory. Now I want to know what is my current directory. So how I can know that? Present working directory, pwd. This command is used to know the present working directory. Okay, so pw means it prints home/Varada/desktop. That's it. So now I want to show how to create a new directory. So how I can create a new directory means, for example, so first what is a present working directory. So present working directory is, in my case, the home, Varada and desktop. In this directory I want to create a new directory. For example, the directory name is course. How I can create the new directory means by using make directory, mkdir. So this command is used to create new directory. So mkdir, what is the directory name? Course. Okay, so now I want to change my present working directory from desktop to course. How means? cd. So cd means change directory. Change directory to course. If you check the present working directory, then it prints home/Varada/desktop/course. Okay, so in this course I want to create new 2 directories. So how? Make directory. So what is the, for example, the course's name is Unix and Python. Unix space Python. What it means? This means I create a folder course. In this directory I am going to create another folder with the name Unix, another folder with name Python. Okay, how? By using make directory Unix space Python. In this Unix I want to create another folder unit 1, unit 2. In the similarly in this Python also unit 1, unit 2. How I can create? For the first I want to change the directory. cd Unix. So after that same. So make directory mkdir. What's the first directory name? Unit 1, unit 2. That's it. And now I want to create unit 1, unit 2 in Python. So how? So we are the present working directory is Unix. So how we can come back from Unix directory to desktop? There are 2 operators. One is dot, another one is dot dot. So dot represents current directory, dot dot represents parent directory. So we can use cd. cd means change directory, dot dot. Now the current present working directory is changed from Unix to courses. Now in this course again I want to change directory Python. Okay, I hope you understand. Change directory Python means go to next one. So cd dot dot means so previous, that means parent one. So cd Python. In this I am going to write make dir unit 1 and unit 2. All these can be represented as, so the top one is root. In this there are many subdirectories. One of the directory is home / Varada. In this directory there are many subdirectories. In this one of those is desktop. In this desktop there are many subdirectories. One of the directory we created is course. In this course we create 2 subdirectories. One subdirectory name is Unix, another subdirectory name is Python. In this Unix I create unit 1 directory and unit 2 directory. Similarly in Python also unit 1 and unit 2. So for example, for this subdirectory, what is the parent directory? Unix. For Unix, what is the parent directory? Course. For course, what is the parent directory? Desktop. Similarly, for this one, this is the parent directory. For Python, the course is the parent directory. Course, the desktop is the parent directory. Now we see the directories and file names. So how we know the present working directory? Current working directory means by using pwd. I want to create a new directory by using mkdir course. Course folder is created. This is the course folder. So in this folder I want to create another 2 directories. One is Unix, another one is Python. How? So for that we can change the current working directory from desktop to course. So cd change directory course. Okay, now we can see what is the present working directory. It is course. Now I can make 2 directories. mkdir, the first directory name is Unix, second directory name is Python. In course, so Python directory is created, Unix directory is created. Now we create another 2 directories in each directory. So how? cd Unix. So what is the present working directory? Unix. In this I create 2 directories. unit 1, unit 2. Okay, so now in Unix directory you are created two directories. So this is the Unix, in this unit 1, unit 2. Now I want to create unit 1, unit 2 directories in Python. For that I can use cd dot dot. Dot dot means parent. So now current directory is Unix, the parent directory is course. We are changed to parent directory. You can check that. Now we are at course. Now we can change directory to Python. So now the current directory is Python. So now we can create two directories, unit 1 and unit 2 in Python. Now present working directory is Python. So now this is the unit 1, unit 2 in Python. How we can go to the parent directory cd dot dot. Now the present working directory is courses. If I can use cd dot dot, the parent directory for course is desktop. Present working directory desktop. cd dot dot means what is the present working directory? Home Varada. If I use another cd dot dot, what is the present working directory? Home. Present working directory home. If I give cd dot dot, what is the parent directory to home? Root. Present working directory root. The highest hierarchy is only root only. If you are changed cd dot dot, the present working directory is root only.